I'm Jennifer Holly Cole, and I just wanted to point out something. This morning, I go through these weird things. You can see, I don't know, my nose was getting kind of weird, the bridge of my nose. It's not as bad as it was a few minutes ago, actually. Another thing I wanted to point out, we've been hearing a lot about this white noise stuff. I'm in the bathroom at the 76 station right now. It's probably about 5:30, somewhere abouts, on February 4th, 2019. I wanted to see if you guys can pick this up. Hopefully the audio can pick it up. Interesting, huh? I don't know. What do you think? I hope you're doing good and hope you're enjoying the rain. Have a good day. God bless. Or good evening, rather. Or the